Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are passionate about the latest in foldable technology, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and it's shaping up to be a game changer in the foldable smartphone market. Let's dive into the confirmed details about its launch date, pricing, and the major upgrades that set it apart. Mark your calendars. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be announced at Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event on July 4, 2025. While the exact pricing has not been officially confirmed, reports suggest it will start at approximately $1,899 in the US. Samsung is pushing the boundaries with a sleeker and more refined design. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature an 8.2-inch internal AMOLED display and a 6.5-inch cover screen, both offering a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. Under the hood, the Z Fold 7 is expected to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon at Elite chipset. Coupled with 12GB of RAM, it will likely run on Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8, ensuring a seamless user experience. Photography fans will be thrilled with the anticipated camera setup. A 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens. Additionally, a 10MP front camera and a 4-megapixel under-display camera are expected to enhance your selfie and video call experiences. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to house a 4400 mAh battery, supporting 25W wired and 15W wireless charging. This ensures that you stay powered throughout your day with a minimal downtime. Are you excited about this upcoming release? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with the fellow tech fans. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.